The Dempster Highway is one of the most northerly highways in the world. It bisects the Canadian gold rush frontier territory of the Yukon en route to the Arctic Ocean. In deepest winter, the sun barely pokes its head above the horizon. Average winter temperatures here are about 30 below freezing. For our drive, the thermometer in Dawson City almost bottoms out at -50, making it the coldest town on Earth that day. In the new Jaguar XJ All-Wheel Drive, we're going as far as perpetual sunset, wherever that takes us. It's the land of snow and ice road truckers. It's a brutal 1,000-mile test, way beyond the normal limits for man and machine, all the way to the Arctic, where the sun stops shining.